Are you a diabetic patient? Do you have someone that is close to you that is suffering from this problem of diabetes? Is it your father? Is it your mother? Is it your wife, your husband? Is it your relatives, your uncles, your aunties that are passing through this problem of diabetes? I want you to know that all hope is not lost. There is a way out. Yes. At Ife Brand Clinic, we have a way out. We have the solution to your diabetic problem. We have the remedy, a permanent remedy to your diabetic problem. No matter how chronic that diabetes has suffered you, no matter how much you have spent, no matter how it seems that all hope is lost, talk to us at Ife Brand Clinic. We have a way out of this your diabetic problem. Yes. Hello, my beautiful people. Once again, you're welcome to Ife Brand Clinic. Yes, this is where health is of very high paramount. Yes, this is where natural health is given. Yes, this is where you get all the solution to your problems. At Ife Brand Clinic, we do it natural. At Ife Brand Clinic, everything is done natural. There is no artificial, there is no boropose. This is where you get your first-hand information regarding your health. Yes. So like I said, once again, you're welcome to Ife Brand Clinic. If this is your first time of coming across this page, I want you to share this page. I need you to like this page. I need you to follow this page. I need you to share it on your wall so that others who doesn't have privilege as you're having right now can be able to get it from your wall. Yes, I need you to write to us, comment, tell us what you feel, tell us how much these videos have been benefiting to you. Yes, write to us, talk to us, comment, share our videos to others to get this information like you're getting it for free. Yes, like I said before, if you're passing through the problem of diabetes, all hope is not lost because there is a way out. There is a permanent remedy out. There is a solution out. Yes. So what are we on today? We are discussing solutions or remedies to your diabetic problems. Yes, any kind of diabetic problem that you're having, you're suffering, you're passing through, Ife Brand Clinic is here to help you out. Ife Brand Clinic is here to remedy it out. Yes, just call us, talk to us, tell us how you feel, tell us what is going on, tell us how long you have lived with that diabetes, tell us how stressful it has been for you living with diabetes, and there is a solution, there is a permanent solution to your diabetic problem. Give us a call. We are here all for you. Yes, this diabetes, there are some people who are even living with diabetes not even knowing that they have it. Yes, now these are some of the things you need to start you need to know. If you start passing through this process, you need to go and check yourself because there are symptoms of diabetes. Yes, when you start having this blood vision, when I mean a blood vision is you see things, it's as if it's like shadow. You no longer see things clearly. You that used to see things very far now, they are kind of looking like shadow to you. You know, you hardly read now without bringing it closer to your eyes and so on and so forth. Sometimes you'll be standing, it's as if some things are turning to shadow in your eyes. Now that are one of the symptoms of diabetics. Yes, you need to go and get yourself checked. Another thing again is constant urination. You are always urinating. Yes, at night, in the daytime, you are always urinating. You don't have a control for your urine. You finish urine, after some while you start urinating again. That is one of the symptoms of diabetes. Another thing again is you're always tired. A little walk, you're tired. A little walk you do, you're tired. You cannot even walk as far as you used to do before. Yes, you're always having this tiredness in you. That is another sign of diabetes. Again, there is this sexual problem. You no longer see yourself performing like you used to. Sometimes when you try, you see yourself getting so tired easily. You're always tired easily on that aspect. That is another issue with diabetes. Another thing again is that you always feel thirsty. You finish taking water, just a few minutes, you start feeling thirsty again. You are always thirsty. You are always thirsty. Constant having thirst. You know, you just want to drink something. You need liquid. You're so short of liquid in your system. Yes, always thirsty. You always feel this dryness in you. That is another sign of diabetes. You need to go and get yourself checked, properly checked in the hospital to confirm. Yes, after all said and done, yes, now we are moving to the proper discussion of the day, which is what? Diabetes. Now, another issue, another thing again you need to understand is that when you have diabetes, your injuries are difficult to go. Yes, it doesn't heal easily. You see yourself, just a little injury, it start expanding and start growing, start expanding and start growing. Sometimes you start tagging it to maybe spiritual attack or what or what. I need you to understand that everything is not spiritual. There are some things that are as a result of your lack of proper health care or taking care of your system or yourself. That is as a result of it. Now, this diabetes we are talking about is a sugar disease. Yes, it's always mostly as a result of sugar. Some people's own are inherited, but the major thing that usually causes that diabetes is an excess intake of sugar. When you have excess sugar in your system, it's always resulting towards diabetes. So, like we're here, I am here to provide a solution to your diabetic problems. Yes, at Ife Brand Clinic, that is what we do. Everything is done naturally. Yes, if you have people who are suffering from this problem, no matter where you have gone, it looks like there is no solution. Don't worry, relax your mind. Ife Brand Clinic is here to help you. We have the solution to diabetic problems. Just give us a call. Talk to us. Tell us how long you have lived with it. Tell us how your own is. There are virus. There are different kind of diabetes. Yes. Even there are some people who their own used to resort to swollen legs. Yes, it's find out that one of your leg is swelling, the other one is not swelling. You now see you match something, you do this, you do that. It could be a result of diabetes, but because you have not gone for proper checkup, you don't even know that is what it is. Yes, some people, when you match your leg on the ground, you no longer feel your leg. It's as if you're feeling shocking on your legs. Your legs are so big. You know, some people have this leg ulcer. Leg ulcer, most of the leg ulcers is as a result of diabetes as well. So you see your injury is growing and looking so rotten, smelling, and all hope is not lost. That is what we do at Ife Brand Clinic, to bring you the best of health remedy, to give you the best of health solution. We don't just talk on video, we give you solution to it. Yes, it is affordable. You can always get it from Ife Brand Clinic. All you just need to do is just to give us a call. Give us a call. Everything is done naturally. Yes, our number is on the screen. Just pick it and give us a call. Tell us how you want us to come in and help you for your situation, for that diabetic problem you're having. Yes. So on this video, I will be giving you just a part of the remedy, not the full remedy. If you want a permanent solution to your diabetic problem, you need to give us a call. Yes, we need to know that you're watching. We need to know that we have people who are following us. We need to know that many people are passing through this problem. You don't just watch and relax. You need to call us and tell us how the thing has been for you, so that we can provide a solution to you, so that we can help you out. We are here to help. Everything is done naturally. There is no artificial. There is no injection if that is what you're scared of. There is no drugs if that is what you're scared of. Yes, everything is given to you naturally. There are things you can easily access in your bush, in your forest, in your neighborhood, in your localities, in the market. So it is not a new thing. It's just that you don't have the update. You don't know what it does. But we do at Ife Brand Clinic, because it is tested and trusted. They are 100% without any side effects. There are things you can easily see and find. There are things that are close to you that you don't even know that this is what they do. Yes. Now, this diabetes as a result of excess sugar intake, excess sugar in your bloodstream. Yes, that's high sugar level in your blood. That is what's mostly result to this diabetes. Now, I am going to give you a short remedy, a simple solution that will help to reduce this excess blood sugar. Yes, excess sugar in your blood that is leading to this diabetes, that is causing you all these things. Yes, that is just a part of the cure, because for you to have a proper solution to your diabetic problem, you need to first of all fight that excess sugar in the system, and that is what I will be giving you now, how to fight that sugar, how to reduce that sugar intake in your system. Then after that, when you notice that change, you can now contact us for complete solution to your cure. Yes, what is the way out to that diabetic problem? Like I said before, even if you're someone that have injury on their leg or whatever part of their body that is looking rotten, all hope is not lost. We have a way to dry that injury. We have discovered a permanent solution to that injury problem. Yes, it is safe. It is safe, 100% safe. Everything is done naturally. There is no artificial. And one thing again you must understand is that whatever we prescribe here, we always tell you to make sure it is properly prepared. Hygiene is one of our paramount stay. Yes, we are always conscious of hygiene, because when you're not clean, when you're not hygienic, it is difficult for whatever it is you're going to use to work for you. Yes. So what are we going to be talking about now? I'll be giving you the way out to reduce that excess sugar in your system. This is not necessarily for only those who have diabetes. Even you as a living being, you can always make this available for yourself and for your family to reduce that excess sugar in your system, because it's very, very helpful. Yes, when you have excess sugar in your bloodstream, it can result to a lot of things. So you need to join in this or partake in this solution so that you can reduce that excess sugar intake in your bloodstream, in your system. What do you need to do? Get your aloe vera. I believe we all know what aloe vera is. Yes, one of those aloe vera stem. Get it. Yes, get your aloe vera stem. Then what do you need to do with it? Make sure you scrub out, or you use your that's your knife to scrub out all those chokes on those stem. Make it look smooth and clean. After you do that, what do you need to do? You chop it. Is either you to your own style, how you want it to be, maybe in cube or in circular form, however you want to cut it. You cut it into pieces. Make sure you wash it very, very well. I said make sure you wash it. If possible, just drop a little quantity of salt in that water you're using to wash it. You wash it very, very well with clean water. Now, get your water. Make sure boil your water, but don't let it to boil. Let it just be warm. Warm water. Get warm water. You can pour it in a container or in whatever you want to use to prepare what I'm going to tell you now. Pour that warm water in a container. Now, that aloe vera that you have chopped and washed, drop all of them into that warm water. I did not say boiled water. I only said warm water. Yes, what did I say again? Warm water. Now, drop that aloe vera inside that warm water. Now, get your grape. You know what grape is. If you don't know, go to the market and confirm. Ask people what grape is. Cut your grape. Just one big grape is enough for 1 liter of this preparation. Yes, squeeze that grape water into that prepared aloe vera warm water. That warm water that you have dropped those aloe vera stem you have chopped into pieces with the gel and everything. Make sure that what is it called? The grape is pressed. The grape juice is pressed inside that water. Yes. Now allow it to stay or to sleep overnight. Yes. Allow that water to sleep overnight. Now it is called a detoxifier, sugar detoxifier. Yes. It reduces that excess blood sugar in your system. Yes, excess sugar in your bloodstream, it reduces it. Yes, it makes those your injury that are finding it difficult to heal. It has a normal, or will I say a natural healing process for that sugar. Now it will reduce that you're always urinating at night during the day. Once you take this remedy, I am assuring you, just 7 days of constant taking. Make sure you take 1 glass or half of glass cup in the morning, half of glass cup before you go to your bed after meal. Maintain it for 7 days, you will see the difference. Yes, this is a part of the solution. This is the first step in curing or in remedying or first solution to your diabetic problem. Now, after taking this, if you start seeing improvement, your sight is beginning to restore little by little. Then you no longer urinate as you used to be constantly. You no longer feel that constant thirst of wanting to drink water. And when you finish drinking, you feel thirst again. When you start noticing this, then it means that your sugar level is beginning to normalize. Give us a call. Let's tell you what you need to do. Let's give you the final solution to your diabetic problem. It is curable, 100%. Coming from Ify Brand Clinic, I am telling you everything you're receiving here is 100%. Diabetes is curable. It is no longer a killer disease. Research have had it that it is curable. Ify Brand Clinic is telling you that your diabetic solution is here. Give us a call. Talk to us. Let's provide the proper solution. Let's tell you what to do. Yes, everything you get here is first-hand information. You can never get it anywhere. It is natural. It is first-hand. At Ify Brand Clinic, we give you nothing but the best. Yes, like I always say, there is a lot more to gain and learn from this page. Stick to this page. Everything is done natural. Everything is practicable. There is no artificial. If you're scared of drugs, don't worry. It is not drugs. If you're scared of injection, don't worry. It is not injection. They are natural things you can easily get for yourself. If you don't want us to get it for you, yes, give us a call for that, your diabetic problem. Meanwhile, don't forget what I just asked you to do. You need to start the first stage of reducing that excess sugar in your system. Whoever that is having diabetes, give them hope. Tell them that Ify Brand Clinic said diabetes is no longer a killer disease. It is curable, 100%. It is controllable, 100%. There is a solution to your diabetic problem. Thank you, and God bless you. I will see you in the next video. This is Ify Brand Clinic.